My bees have arrived. There they are, 2 packages, 1 for each hive. I have my entrance feeders ready to go because they are going to need to be fed for probably the first month or so until they can collect enough nectar and pollen and build up the numbers in the hives. And I have my Honeybee Healthy mixed up here in this thing, and this is gonna be what I use to calm them down here before I put them in the hive. And I have my bee cap and veil and my entrance reducers and my hive tool there. I wish that there was somebody that could be taking video of me doing this, but there's nobody here right now, so I will just have to do this in stages, kind of. So here are the bees, and I'm going to go ahead and put them in their hives. Yay! Here I have gone ahead and put in the first package of bees, and they are, going down into the frames. And of course there's a lot of them that are right here because the queen cage is in here. And it looks like it may have fallen, so I might have to go back in there and bring it back up. But anyway, so as you can see, there's bees, and then I'll leave the box here so that the rest of them can come out and go into the hive when they're ready. So I have both of the hives, or the bee packages, placed with the queens in their respective hives. So overnight the rest of the bees will come out of the boxes and go into the hive, and I have my sugar water feeders set up on them. Plus I'm leaving the cans that they came with so that they can get to the bottom of that, because it's still got a lot of sugar water in it too, so they'll be able to feed off of that as well. And then in the top I have a pollen patty for each one of them, so they should be off to a good start then. So I'm looking forward to honey later in the year. So I've just removed the inner cover. This is my hive tool. And what I've done is I've removed the queen cage. This is what the queen was in when I got the bees in the package, and she's been released because they eat through the candy and then she gets to get out. So here they are, and they're making comb on the foundation, and filling that with, and there's the queen. If you can, I don't know if you can, here I'll try to show you. The queen is right there. She's got the little yellow dot on her. And see, she's bigger than the others. But so she's busy, she's alive, she's doing well. She's laying eggs. So they seem to be doing okay. The only thing that I don't like about having to open up the hive at all is that you always smash some. Okay, so that colony is doing well. And that's the one that I was really worried about because it was a lot of the bees that were originally from that package seemed to go over to the other colony when I first put them in. But there's enough of them in there that the hive is, you know, it's thriving. It's doing all right. This is it's called a bee patty, and it's basically pollen and other stuff, I guess. And I put that in there to give them a good start. Some of what I was feeding them along with the sugar water. But I think I'm going to take that out now because it has a tendency to attract other things like ants. So I'm taking that out now. So here's the other queen cage. Yes, they're much busier in this one. If you want to come around here, you could probably see better what they're going to be doing. got one frame. This one's got like 4 frames already that's got bees in it, so I know that a lot of the bees that were originally from that other hive ended up coming over here. So right now I need to look for the queen. As you can see, they're making their comb. See, they're filling that in. Let's see if I can find her on this side. Nope, can't see her on this side. But oh, I will show you these. See these guys here? These big ones with the huge eyes? That's a drone. Like right there. So those are the male bees, and their only job is to fertilize the queen. And at the end of the summer, right before winter, because they don't do any work except for fertilizing the queen. And at the end of the summer, and when it gets towards winter time, they get thrown out of the hive to die because they just would take up valuable resources through the winter. So, alright, well, I'm going to put this one back and pick out a different frame because I want to find out where the queen is. Try to do this carefully so I don't smash too many bees. You know, I really don't like working with these gloves on because I can't pick up stuff very easily. And as you can see, they're really not, you know, I mean, they're not upset. You. I don't see her on this one either. I don't know if I should bother to keep looking. I mean, she's got to be in here somewhere. Otherwise this hive would have abandoned ship. assume she's in here somewhere. I'm not going to keep messing with them all. This one, if you can zoom in on there, that's pollen in those cells that they're making. So they've been busy collecting pollen and stuff and making honey and you can go ahead and probably stop and take in the video.